What it do, y'all? Your boy is back here with just another quick update here. Scored another deal, y'all. My girl's dad's best friend, his name is Rick, had these parts here. These are some rear quarter panel patch panels for a 70 Chevelle. From 70 to 72, they use the same rear quarter panels, and these are patch panels that he actually had for many years. What happened is he actually used to own a paint and body shop for a really long time. He's since then retired, and he still does some side work, but a long time ago he was restoring a 70 Chevelle for a guy, or doing some work for a guy who actually was going through some family stuff. Whatever, long story short, Rick bought these and for the guy, and the guy never came back. I don't know why. Maybe he was going through it, and whatever, this and that happened, and just for whatever reason never came back. So Rick was stuck with these, and he was stuck with them for many years. And when I got the Chevelle, he was like, hey, I got a bunch of Chevelle parts, just let me know what you need and I'll see if I got it, and if I got it, I'll just give it to you. And so he ended up giving me these patch panels, which I'm gonna need actually for my build. And he also gave me a front fender patch panel for the bottom behind the tire that I already dropped off to my friend, because I'm gonna need that, or he needs that to fix the front fender. So man, I scored those for free. That's about, $200 to $250 probably that I don't have to spend. So that's pretty bomb, man. I came up on that, so that's pretty legit. Then I picked up my engine block and my crank from the shop. So I got new cam bearings put in there. So as you can see, fresh and new. That the lines you see there is there's just a little bit of lube there that they lubed up, so to keep them from rusting and scratching up and stuff as before you actually finish the build and all that. So anyways, so they're not scratched or etched or anything, that's just lube. But yeah, y'all, you see it, 6.0, a new cam bearing, so that'll be good to go. Just ordered my Texas Speed MS3 cam, so that's gonna be coming soon. So this motor is gonna be chopping already, so I'm excited for that, y'all. Really excited for that. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is just a little bit of grime, residue from oil from over the years that I just when I initially cleaned it, I didn't get that part of it there, so I'll probably take some a rag and some solution, either some mineral spirits or some type of degreaser, to try to get the rest of that off. That ain't no big deal. But yeah, y'all, looking pretty dang good. What else did I got? Oh, got my crank back. Let's see if I can unwind that thing out. Well, so I got this all wrapped up. But yeah, I got my crank cleaned, polished. All of it was in spec still, so that's pretty good. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, all cleaned up and everything. So yeah, y'all, making my way. So now I can start just cleaning it back up, just getting the final cleaning stages of it knocked out, and then reassembly is coming back at it. So yeah, buddy, it's going down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this block out of here and just start putting it back on the stand, and then tomorrow is when I'm gonna start reassembly and everything, and I'll keep you updated as I go. So got the block in, new cam bearings, crank cleaned, polished, all that stuff. New rear quarter panels, patch panel for the front. We're getting it done, y'all. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.